problems for the rest of the time. Okay. There are two things. The T table is slightly different in the following way. There are two things, okay? This is not... okay. The first row is the degrees of freedom table. Okay. Do you see that? So if I give you a degrees, if I give you a sample size of 10, you need to look at what row? You'll look at degrees of freedom equal to 9, okay? The area for the T table, which is the area to the left, is given on the top. Okay, this is a different thing from the table that I gave you. The area is given is this area. This is the area that's given to you. So, I don't have a T table. Can I borrow somebody's T table? So let's consider this a T with 20 degrees of freedom. This value right here for a T will always be 0. Okay. So if I want to find out what this number is, assuming that this area is say 0.95, okay, notice unlike the standard normal table, we are talking about this complete area. Here is how I would do it. First of all, look at the degrees of freedom, look for 20. Okay. Then on the top, look for T of 0.95. Do you see it? You should see the number 1.725. You guys see 1.725? Okay. Now, if you were looking at the standard normal, what area would you be looking up if I wanted to get the same number under the standard normal? If I wanted to find out what this question mark was under the standard normal, what area would you look up? Instead of 0.95, you would look up this area, right? 0.45. Everybody agree? In fact, do you want to just look up 0.45 and tell me what this number is corresponding to in the standard normal table? You get 1.645. Do you see 1.645? Okay. Now flip back to the T table. Okay. Look at the row labeled infinity. Can you look at the row labeled infinity and look at a T of 0.95 on the top? Tell me what you see. Look at T of infinity and look for this area on the top. Do you see 1.645? See, I've got to use the T table to look up your Z table. Okay, so you get the same answer regardless of whether you look at the Z table or whether you look at the row labeled infinity here. Okay, you get the same answer. So let's just do a few more just to make sure that you're comfortable.